We just hit 1,000 episodes. Wow, can you believe it? As a part of that, hitting that 1,000 uploads, what we're going to do is offer this workshop for free. So anyone that's interested, go to coachdecaro1@gmail.com and simply submit the word prosperity. Now, for those who may be interested in a coaching session, that coaching session will be $97, but that is optional for those who are on this call that will be interested in a coaching session with me. That 30-minute coaching session is transformational. So please take advantage of it. My coaching sessions are normally much higher. Again, this workshop, Your Right to Prosper, will be held on September 21st at 1 p.m. Eastern. If you're interested, go to coachdecaro1@gmail.com and submit the word prosperity. Have a great and abundant day.